Hello everyone, my name is Neha. I'm studying in grade 8 in GoldenBee Global School, BTM Layout. I'm here to talk about Students' Day. Dream is not something you see while you sleep. It is something that keeps you awake. By Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. World Students' Day is celebrated on October 15th all across the globe to acknowledge the efforts done by former President and eminent aerospace scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam towards student welfare and education. It is celebrated to appreciate the efforts done by Kalam to uplift the education in the society. It is said that he went right back to his teaching job after his term of president ended. Kalam always wanted his students to be the best versions of themselves. If you fail, don't give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. End is not the end, because end means effort never dies. And if you get a no, just know NO means next opportunity. Let's be positive, he said. He's known as the people's president for his upbringing of education in the society. World Students' Day is observed as the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In 2010, it was decided that World Students' Day will be celebrated on October 15th, APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday, to honor his contributions as a renowned scientist, especially in the fields of research and education. Since then, it is celebrated to acknowledge the significant role of Dr. Kalam for uplifting education and his love for students. Dr. Kalam always believed that students are the future. They possess progressive minds that bring the country and the world to higher levels of success. Despite being a great scientist, Abdul Kalam identified himself as a teacher. He preached that teachers are the ones responsible for bringing a student into the correct path, and they're the builders of students in the society. He stressed on providing a vision for all his students and inculcating the fundamental values of life, which should be followed by a student throughout life. The former president dedicated his life to inspiring and teaching students to be the best version of themselves. He went to numerous different universities, has given many lectures in various different countries. He breathed his last breath on July 27, 2015, when he was giving a lecture in IIM Shillong when he collapsed and died due to a cardiac arrest. World Students' Day is celebrated every year with a theme which highlights the importance of education. Last year's theme was Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. It reaffirmed the role of education in the uplift of a society, and it also proved that education is a fundamental right of everyone. As rightly stated by Abdul Kalam, if you want to shine like the sun, burn like the sun. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.